Howdy do, fellas. My name is Seth Opie, and welcome back to another episode of Everybody's Gone to the Rapture. I'm pretty excited to finally get back into this game, and hopefully you are too. It's been quite a while for me, especially after some major malfunctions with not the video, but the USB that held the video in it. Yeah, I know. Pretty fatal, and don't mind my squeaky chair. Now this game is loud in my ears. I need to turn it down a bit when I get into the game. But yeah, I've looked forward to getting back into this game, and you know, I hope you look forward to me keeping the uploads of this game going, because so far I've enjoyed it. It's a mindfuck of a story, but it's good. It's great dialogue. Oh, there we go. Less of that noise racketing in my ears. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. It's loaded. Huh? Where am I? Oh, yeah, shit. That's right. Chapter 3, right? Or episode 3. Whatever they said. Say no to Vala's extension. So, I'm starting to think that they probably use this as a marketing scheme, this whole little Rapture thing. The Valis Observatory. Or they're just a crazy corporation, kind of like the Umbrella Corp. You know? Resident Evil. Anybody? No? Okay, fine. Anyways. Back into the beautiful mess of this game is. By mess, I mean storyline. Not that it's a mess or a bad storyline, just the fact that the storyline, what happened in this game is a mess. Everybody's hooting and hollering, flipping their tits, getting angry, going mad, bleeding out of their noses. Other parts I don't want to know about. So yeah. Anyways, I still do not trust this orange orb. Look at it flying around, acting like it's normal. Flashed my eyes. It could make me go blind. Well, I can't open it. I don't even know if I'm human. Gotta look both ways before crossing. You never know if another orange orb is gonna kill you. Where are we? Shropshire. We are there. And I believe we've traveled across the orange line that travels through. Because we were at the observatory, and then we went to Yalton. Oten. What's up with these 8s flying around, though? I wonder if this is where the game's going to be taking place. You know? Because I went from the observatory to Yalton, finally to the Tipworth Forest. And we're probably going to be going, next stop will be Appleton's Farm, Lakeside, Little Tipsworth, and we're probably going to leave and happy ending, right? No, probably not. These blue flowers are so pretty. They're so pretty. I'm gonna see if I can turn this down a bit for my ears. It hurts. I don't think I can. That sucks. Oh well.
Amanda?
Yeah, first thing in the morning.
Uh-oh, dialogue.
To catch this flu if it's going round.
It's probably that Father Jeremy.
Not a flu.
Spreading it around while he tries to bully everyone into donations for the summer fete.
Seems very quiet in the village, actually, Wendy. Not much bullying to be done.
Oh, Father, I didn't know you were here.
Clearly. Listen, I came up here to tell Amanda that there's some vandalism in the village. It's a teenage thing. Tagging, I think they call it.
Damn hood
Someone's
rats.
painting all over doors and things.
Little vandals.
Penises.
Well, I'll tell Neil
They're
to
painting
make sure
penises.
up when we go.
A good man like my Eddie gone. And these thugs and yobs running around defacing property. He gave everything to his country, and look what he got in return. Nothing but an early death.
Oh.
He had a good life, Wendy.
He had a short life. I look to my birds.
Good life, nothing less.
Lives lived unencumbered, free and simple. That's as God meant things to be.
Well, that's depressing. But I like knowing different storyline from each individual place. Like, it's not just following the other person's path. It's more of genuinely just following this little universe's path, you know? I can't go in there, it's quarantined. I want to play with this because I'm a wee little baby. Wee little baby. I'm stuck. I can't lift those, I'm certain. And this isn't into the backyard. This is just there. Alright. I wonder if... Yep. I wonder if I can go up here. Looks like I can. Oh, I can. Oh, I have no arms to grab onto this. This is totally not creepy. Hey, Shropshire Magazine. We saw those at the office. And more nosebleeds. Cute little kid drawings. So I guess I'm not the only one that knows about this orange orb, huh? That's the observatory. This is dog. And that's the church. And that's where I was when I saw the happening is what I'll just call it.
Every computer in the observatory has set itself to 6:07 a.m. June 1984. I don't understand what that means.
Me neither. Alright. Downwards. Whee. Oh. How dare he not finish that Rubik's Cube before death? Pitiful. It's a damn shame. This door's open, so that means I can go back here. And that means I can close it. Radios in here. Or just tools in death. Clocks still work. And it's 6:07. Or 6:06. Whichever one makes more sense. I wonder if I'm just leaving this place if I go that way. I mean, I know there's more houses over there, but yeah, I'm going to check back here real quick. Give a little look-sees. Make sure I don't miss anything important. At least this game isn't like a Bethesda game, because then I'd be grabbing everything I see, being like, oh, I'm gonna need you. Crafting them for no reason. Listening to the orchestra that howls through the forest. I'm just sliding down the steps, I'm not even stepping. Oh, this is too suspicious. Maybe I'm the last person to go to the Rapture. And the game just couldn't program legs and arms and a body. I'm just a floating camera that has footstep sounds whenever I walk. The voice of the stars. That's a sad little picnic. There's no food. The plates aren't even dirty. There's just a thermos and a glass that you can barely see unless you look at it just right. All of that's pretty. Oh, that's certain beautifulness. There's a little waterfall over yonder. And there's some antennas. You see that? Cables and stuff. Anyways, onwards. Follow this dirt path. I wish you could run in this and make everything a little easier. I wish you could turn down some of the sound. That'd make everything easier on my ears. And I just hope I'm going the right way and I'm not missing a bunch of dialogue, which I'm certain I am. I hear phone. I hear a phone. That means if I click it, more dialogue. Yep, in the car. Alright, cool. Oh, there's more path. There's more path to be seen. There you are. Hi. Oh, it's on the car. What's this? Favorite. Strict counsel. At least I think it says strict.
It got as far as the Haverton substation before
Clive.
we cut the lines. The interchange there just started dialing numbers around.
And the symptoms you're seeing match those we've been tracking here.
Sickness,
And
headaches,
Stephen.
nosebleeds, eventual
Stephen.
hemorrhage, then just
Yeah.
light, whatever the hell that means.
That's not a flu.
Before it finds another way out of the valley.
Steven's right about it. Oh,
You've got to order a strike.
What?
An airstrike. We have to kill it.
oh shit.
No, I don't agree. We've quarantined the valley, we've cut the lines. It's contained.
What if you're wrong? Are you happy to have that on your conscience?
Stephen, I said it's contained.
There you go. Way to avoid your problems. Yeah, Steven might be right about this, but he's still fucking crazy. I mean, he's definitely right about this, but he's still crazy. That's what I meant to say. Wow. The music could not be more loud to my ears, but still beautiful. It's a sad couch. Like a sad little couch swear upon the tree. Oh, there's another phone. Maybe I can go in here. Ah, open up. Damn. Ring, 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 ring. Progresso. Yeah, Progresso. Your noodles are really bad. I'm sorry. I guess I'm not the Hulk. I guess I can't open this. Looking through the cracks like a hooligan. Oh, nosebleeds, nosebleeds. Any more things I need to know before I pick up this phone? That's, for some reason, ringing, even though it's a recording.
Hello, Frank Appleton. Breaker Lost Cowboy, this is Traveling Sherlock. You copy?
That's a map.
You daft bugger, Charlie. You don't do it when you're using the phone. You'd say this too seriously, Appleton, I'm telling you. It is serious, it's not larking about. You be listening to your number stations again, Frankie. It's not funny. It's serious stuff, and you should mind it. Now then, I'm assuming this is about a pint. I am going to the Whistler. My round, I think. I'll not argue with that. Frank, have you seen the sky? It's amazing. Don't think I've ever seen anything like it. I didn't realize we were off to a poetry. Well, Charlie.
Huh. No, I don't know what that was about, but... There's Frank Appleton. I don't think they'd use full names without it meaning something. Hey, that's a dead bird. That's sad. There's another dead bird over there. But I'm gonna follow this thing.
Very cold this morning.
And we're here.
Said there was a problem with Harvey. Said he couldn't get through to the vet, so I said I'd come round and take a look.
There's a lot of dead birds today.
Yeah.
More here,
Just
too.
noticed them.
I've been trying to get hold of Stephen. He always knows
Stephen.
what to do.
Stephen.
Round here,
Stephen.
no sign of either of them.
With any luck, a stupid creature will have run under a car. It's probably rabies.
Eh, probably. Considering the... Wait. I have no shadow. I thought I had a shadow. There's a lot of dead birds. That's a lot of dead birds. So I'm thinking we're in Ireland, considering the accent. If not, I guess Scotland, maybe. Or Wales. Oh, yeah, I don't know their Whaling accent, if that even is how you say it. Oh, it opens. I was just profusely tapping X until something happened. Hear that? That's what I do on a regular basis in this game. Either that or you hear this. Open. Nope. I guess everybody's just gonna refuse the pizza delivery man. There's so much scenery that is just gorgeous. It's so orgasmatic. Just makes you want to ejaculate in your pants when you see it. Anyway, there's not a lot of dialogue going on here. It's just kind of seeing with your own eyes and basically just seeing the change yourself. At the observatory, it started to happen, and I think this is throughout when it keeps happening. Tipworth Woods.
Harvey!
Ah.
Harvey, come on, boy.
Bullock, Harvey Dent, Two-Face.
Come on, Harvey. Come on, boy. Harvey! Harvey!
Oh, they're missing their dog. Their Doge. Or cat. So I'm thinking the game's trying to direct me over here. Oh, I can't fall. I'm poisoned now. It's sewage, right? Or is that just a homemade well? No, that's not homemade. that's a lot of dirt. I'm stuck. Help. Help, please.
Moving here was a stupid idea, and I told you, Barbara said they blocked the roads.
There we go. I'm up.
You go and look.
Thanks for help.
Wait, is that Harvey?
No, it's me.
Harvey!
Harvey! Here, boy! Come here, boy!
Have they found him? Have they found Harvey? I can't believe I almost got stuck. Hey, little orb. That I don't trust. But is still kind of weirdly attractive. No, it's weirdly adorable. Oh, but creepy with its noise. You make me want to shrivel up inside and just hide in that cage. Oh, it's a playground. Please. Oh my god. Do you have to be loud and scary and creepy? Can I kick you? I can just walk over you. Because that's what normal people do. That's a dead pogo. You are loud. Wah. Wah. Wow. Well, I thought you were a radio, but now you're just a dead bird. Eh. Oh.
Wendy, I'm married. You have to stop this. He's still sweet on you, Elizabeth.
He left. It's too late.
You loved each other long before she came along. It's just about making things as they should be.
Wendy, no.
It's not like you won't bump into each other anyway. One drink, what can that hurt?
One drink, maybe.
Possibly.
One drink, wonderful.
Splendid. I have a sense of maybe I should feel happy for the person, but they're dead anyway, so it's fine. Influenza. Haverton. You're loud. You're loud. Thank you. Gosh. My innocent ears can't take it. I'm gonna travel down here. Cause fuck you, orb. I'm gonna be over here. That's a beautiful view. That's a beautiful view. I'm trying my best to make these episodes like 30 to 40 minutes long just because I heard the game's short. And, I mean, this is a good old miniseries because I got Batman that's going on at the same time, so it's like I don't want to take or give away from both of the series, you know? But I'm definitely not going to make this short, any episodes, unless I'm like, yeah, maybe I'll divide it up in two. I don't know when the end is, so maybe the ending will be like 2 minutes long, and if so, actually I have no way of finding out anyways, so, oh, these are just shortcuts.
I can't see him.
No, they're not. I'm missing dialogue. There we go.
Sean! We can't just leave him. He must be really badly hurt.
Jesus, Diana, we've got the kid in the car. We should just keep driving.
We can't just drive off and... Look! He's there. He's in the car.
Oh, I hear the baby. Where's the baby?
Gotta get down there.
Oh, where's the baby? Why?
We've got to get out of the valley while we can.
Oh my God, he's trying to undo his seatbelt.
Oh. No. Sean, you're an asshole. You're an asshole, Sean. Oh. I can come in here? Yay, let's go swimming. That's a sad scene. That's a beautiful scene. That's a sad scene. That's a beautiful scene. That's a bad scene. Onward. Oh, it's a pick 'em up truck. Tow truck. It's a truck with tows on it. Oh, there's a cemetery over here. There might be some extra dialogue. Ah, and out of nowhere, when you don't ask for it, it appears. Oh, it's not a cemetery, it's just
Grief, Wendy, you'll catch your death.
Oh, it is a cemetery, kind of.
They're all dead, Father. All of my birds.
Oh.
Here, take my jacket.
I tried to be a good woman. A Christian woman. But I've been proud.
Just as the Lord forgave you, so also should you. What matters is we try our best. God sees that. Come back to the village with me.
I'm not so far from Stevens now. I need to find my son. It's what Eddie would have done.
Is it?
Yes, I suppose it is. I'll say a prayer for you.
Thank you, Father. She loved you, you know, Mary. You helped her. I'm sorry if I judged you harshly.
It doesn't matter, Matt. It's late. You should find a place to sleep. I'm sure when the sun comes up, everything will seem better.
The sun's already up. I'm just joking. I know it's at a different time. All they are is echoes. Or, well, memories. But, you know, I consider them echoes because of The Division. If anybody's ever played that game, you know, in The Division you get to see echoes of the old past of before the happening, or, wow, that's a strong chorus. Anyways. And, thank you for talking over everything I'm talking over. But yeah, just The Division. They had echoes of you seeing the past of the old before the happening, which was, it was an actual, was it a flu? I think it was a flu. It was some sort of disease that killed people. But they put it on money during Black Friday, which was so smart for terrorists, because terrorists usually aren't smart. And, yeah, pretty cool. So that's why I call them echoes, if you're wondering. Kinniston's Park. Kinniston's Pond, not park. Sorry. And peas, you know. What are you doing? Get away. Get away! What? Did you see that ground kick up when he went to it? I saw that. It did it again. Anyways, I'm gonna be over here. Deuces. This is a nice little quiet walk through the pond. There we go. There's two of you.
Fancy seeing you here.
Yeah, fancy seeing this orb over here. Oh, sorry.
Is everything all right, my dear?
Oh,
That's bright. That's
right.
real bright.
Right.
I'll be behind here.
Robert.
Robert.
Mum doesn't deserve you.
I know.
I know everybody thinks I'm just a mighty old busybody, but someone has to say what everyone else is thinking. We both know that this marriage, it's not how things are supposed to be.
Are you talking about me and Robert? Or is this really about Stephen and Kate?
Everybody knows Stephen and Kate.
I suppose it is. I have to accept it. I know, but she doesn't belong here. You see that, don't you?
Yeah.
There's a place for people, and this isn't hers. Oh. But I'm not talking about the color of her skin. Don't look at me like that.
She is black. Okay.
What they do up there?
Kind of figured, because she's kind of a bitch. Not saying, you know what, never mind, I'm going to shut my mouth.
To understand. I don't like her. And I don't like how Stephen is around her.
He is a bit of a
better man when he was with you.
Douche. So Stephen was with... Oh, I see. You know what? We're catching on to some clues here, and I think this is a good spot to leave it. I'll continue right afterwards, because hey, it just saved. Perfect timing. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this episode of Everybody's Gone to the Rapture, and I hope you'll like the next, or look forward to seeing the next, because, here, hang on, because I will see you fellas in the next one. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next episode. Sorry I messed up my outro. I just got a little out of focus. Bye!